So this video is a demonstration of how short division works. So if you have a sum like 486 divided by 2, as short division it would be set out with your 400s, 8 10s and 6 1s, and as it's written would look like this: 486, so the dividend goes in there, the divisor 2 on the outside. What we're doing is we're sharing these into groups of 2, or equal groups, 2 equal groups. So we start with the hundreds and we work across when we're doing short division. So we do 4 divided by 2. To divide 4 into 2 groups, we end up with 1, 2. 2 in each group. So that means that 400 divided by 2 equals 200. Now we've got to do 80 divided by 2. So, making 2 groups, sharing it out evenly, and in each group we have 4. So, 80 divided by 2 is 4. Now we have 6 1s to share out into 2 groups. So, 1, 2, 3. Each group has 3. So our answer to our divide is 243. Now, what happens though when the groups don't share evenly? So let's say we start off with 500, and so we get 500s, and let's get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, let's get 8 10s. So we'll write our 8 there. 8 10s. And let's get 4 1s. So we've got 4 1s. So we've got 584 altogether. We're going to divide that by, let's say, 4. Okay, we start off with our hundreds. So our 100s divided into 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. That leaves 1 left over. I can't share that amongst one of the other groups because that means that group is bigger than the rest. We know that equal groups is really important. So what we need to do is I need to then keep this one. I know that each group ended up with 1 whole 100, and we were left with 100 left over. Now that 100 gets handed over to the 10s. To make it easier though, I'm going to exchange my 100 for 10 lots of 10 because I know that 10 10s is 100. So I've got 9. There's 10 10s. So instead of putting my hundreds block there, I'll put 10 more 10s. Now that means that I don't just have 8 10s there now. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 tens. So I have 18 tens there now. Now I have to divide my 18 tens into 4 equal groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Oh, wait, 2. That would mean that these groups here have 5 and these only have 4. So I can't share those ones over. So I have to keep them out. And now I've got to look at how many equal size groups, how many were in the groups that I made. There was 1, 2, 3, 4 tens in each group. So 18 divided 4 equals 4 with 2 remainders. So I carry those over to the ones. Now, we don't just have 4 ones here anymore. We've got 2 tens as well as our 4 ones, which means we now have 22 ones. Now, to share those, I need to swap out my 22 ones with, my 2 tens with ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, I'm left now with 20 plus 4 ones, which means I now have 24 ones there. So I carried my 2 tens over and I now have 24 ones. So now I have to finish off the sum. I need to do 24 divided by 4. So 24 into 4 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm lucky enough that I haven't got any leftovers. So how many were in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 24 divided by 4 equals 6. So this is what we do, what we're really doing when we're doing short division.